I remember when I first laid eyes on you. My man Tom introduced us, but I was too shy to say hi. When I finally built up enough nerve to drop a line, you made it clear you wasn't just another MySpace mystery. And I didn't take it personal when you ignored my request to be your friend. I spilled my guts and hit send. Waited 2 weeks for a response and got nothing. Honestly, it only made me want you more. Week 4 rolled around and I was this close to letting go, but something wouldn't let me, even though I hardly knew you. It was plain to see we were meant to lock lips. You knocked me out with the brass knuckle taps on your hips. I was on this website late night lurking when I got a message from you that was labeled urgent. You said that you weren't impressed by lame dudes with no game. They're all the same, trying to get your instant messenger name. But the fact that you hit me back made me smile. You must have saw something you liked when you were skimming through my profile. You caught me at the most pivotal moments, and now I'm emailing my love with a dozen digital roses. So click approve, sit and show me some kind of sign and let me know it's time to make my move. Click approve, come on girl, baby I'm one of a kind and I ain't got time to lose. Click approve, feeling me here and show me some kind of sign and let me know it's time to make my move. Click approve, come on girl, baby I'm one of a kind and I ain't got time to lose. Let's face it, it's a sad situation when we have to resort to keyboards as a means of making relations, but I don't have the patience, I get straight to the point. So this is me at my most honest. No ego, no gym class status, just Travis. Love it to leave it, but you gotta admit, on a scale of 1 to awesome, I'm the shit. Just get over it and Abby, goddammit, I've been waiting too long. Even wrote a song about it, like to hear it, here it go. If I'm being too annoying, let me know. But it's hard for me to not hate when I'm on MySpace. I never see my face in your top 8. Approaching 6 weeks now, it's kinda obvious that you're either occupied or playing a game. All my money's on the ladder, this is not a LOL matter. Why would you pass up a chance this great if there was 2 forces and I split them down the middle? I could swing back and forth for 3 days. Reframe. If I had 2 horses and I beat them with authority, I gallop all the way to Canada to see your face. But all I got is this power book and iChat. Besides, I hit you all the time and you never write back. I stay on my feet, shit, and be persistent till my name is under who you like to meet. So click approve, sit and show me some kind of sign and let me know it's time to make my move. Click approve, come on girl, baby I'm one of a kind and I ain't got time to lose. Click approve, feeling me here and show me some kind of sign and let me know it's time to make my move. Click approve, come on girl, baby I'm one of a kind and I ain't got time to lose. Who cares if we don't know each other's last name? All I know is that I'm smitten with your pictures, wishing you would feel the same. I admit I get a little jealous when other dudes leave you comments. Don't let it gas you up, it's all nonsense. Lately I've been romancing the thought of me and you speaking in tongues in this mansion I bought, but it's all wishful thinking. Just give me some kind of sign to let me know I'm not freaking you out. And if you loving what I'm speaking about, then say something. I check my inbox 10 times and ain't nothing. You probably busy doing something sexy. I just hope I'm in your thoughts next time you log in. And if not, ain't no love lost between you and me. I'll be here when your man ain't fully down as he used to be. So yeah, it's time to sign out. My vision's getting blurry, this is madness. XOXO-Travis. Sit and show me some kind of sign and let me know it's time to make my move. Click approve, come on girl, baby I'm one of a kind and I ain't got time to lose. Click approve, feeling me here and show me some kind of sign and let me know it's time to make my move. Click approve, come on girl, baby I'm one of a kind and I ain't got time to lose. So click approve.